Hello team, it gives me immense pleasure to address all of you here today. Kickoff is one such important event which brings in sense of belonging as IBMers. I am very proud to lead the IBM India team, and these are exciting days to be in IBM India. IBM India is uniquely positioned both in India and as a IBM global family. Let me explain you why it's so unique and what are the great opportunities that lie ahead of us in the days to come. Based on my recent interaction with customers, I noticed that customers prefer IBM over competition, and they come back for stronger and longer business partnership. They think we bring value, and also they treat us as trusted partners on the long run. IBM is the only company in India which offers an end-to-end solution. Our vision is to grow bigger and better. From my interactions with the senior management of IBM, the expectation from the India team is high. I am very sure this team will continue to deliver and grow. I have seen that in spite of our different jobs and functions, there is one thing that brings us all of us together: the feeling of being an IBMer, the pride of IBM, the passion for client success, and the joy of being a part of this great team. Today, I invite you to listen to some of your colleagues on what they have to say about themselves, on IBM, and the pride of being an IBMer.
At IBM, every day is a chance to impact people for a lifetime. I pride myself in being an IBMer primarily because we are creators and builders. We create and build communities wherever we are.
I moved into IBM this February, and I think it was the wisest decision I have ever made in my life. The work culture is so congenial for self-development that you really want to be part of IBM, and anybody who's not is missing out on something really great.
When I think of IBM, I think of being part of a great mission on demand.
I hope I'll work and retire at IBM. I take a great deal of pride in being an IBMer because I'm part of a world-class company which focuses on developing its best talent and doing the best for its customers.
Each and every person gets an equal opportunity to show their talents, their sensibility, their ability, and to perform well.
World leaders in technology and hence business. Being in IBM gives me the pleasure of working with excellent people in the technical industry, grow in the path that I choose to grow, and continuously innovate.
Being a part of the Big Blue brand has been the most exciting thing that has ever happened to me. I think the most essential part is enjoying yourself at work, and IBM just gives you that.
It's wonderful to work at IBM. I take pride in being an IBMer because of our strategies, our products, and I love the 8-bar logo.
IBM is clearly at the forefront, driving the agenda within the industry. Every day is a learning experience in IBM. There's a lot of tools that this company equips you with to foster learning.
I'm proud of telling people that I work at IBM. I like the freedom of choice here, the freedom to choose to do whatever I want to.
It drives everything we do.
We all know the number of patents IBM files every year.
In everything that we do, from technology to service, to lead the change in the marketplace.
Every IBMer's responsibility.
It's like working for multiple organizations under one roof.
Keep doing your job, growth will come to you automatically.
Inside IBM, sky's the limit.
Your choice and it is respected.
For the deserving and the hard and smart worker.
Ample opportunities. You take the driver's seat.
Chaos, disruption, pandemonium, confusion, people running around, chasing others, chasing customers.
The work at IBM, the opportunities at IBM.
Technical excellence and innovation.
Something which drives me to sketch a horizon for my new career.
Pat on the back from your boss.
Excitement would be the client's excitement, the brand's excitement, my manager's excitement in every stage of a deal getting closed.
Professionalism, global leadership, strong integrity.
Cornerstone of IBM success.
Responsibility and trust.
High on innovation.
They are valued at IBM.